Hello, Mike Delta here again, and this is the second part of the video. After we convert the Bird 43 to the digital meter, now I'll show you. We're gonna test it and see. So we're gonna try it with the 7300 and the SB220 amplifier off. Let's go with the drive only. 1000 watt slugs. Hello, check. Hello. Hello. Check. Hello. It's about 100 watts. Okay. It's about 100 watts drive. Turn on the amp. Hello. Check. Hello. 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 Check. There you go. It's picking about over a kilowatt of power. Very nice meter. Very nice looking meter. So again, this is from this is the new digital watt meter for Bird 43, and it's available. If you need one, you just ask me or just message me. I can sell you the meter alone or the whole meter, the Bird 43. So again, hello. Check. Hello. Check. Hello. Very nice. Thank you.